I was supposed to do these like 24 damages assessment hearings for all these people who defaulted on their credit cards. And so I interviewed all these people as part of the process, and they were like single mothers, disabled people, unemployed people, all this stuff. So I reported back to the judge on like 22 of them that the debtors had no ability to pay. So I got fired from my fourth job after my first court date. About 5 years in, I get a job offer with my current partner who does medical malpractice and some high-end stuff. We have the privilege of representing a lot of people who have very difficult situations in their lives, and we help them. And every time I have the honor of standing and watching a jury walk out for the first day, I point my eyes to the floor and I thank God for my humble beginnings. 2020 was not bad for me, and I'm not going to apologize for it because we earned that. You know, we had a bad year in 2015 when our son Jack was born with a very rare disease called pulmonary vein stenosis. You know, that was a rough year, handing a 3-month-old baby for an experimental surgery with a 30% chance the doctor's going to hand him back. You know, that's a tough year. And then 3 years of chemotherapy and having a 3-year-old who weighs 14 pounds, that's a tough year. So I get nothing to complain about ever again for the rest of my life. My son weighs 45 pounds now. He goes to kindergarten. He walks. He might talk someday. I'm living a miracle every day of my life, okay? So what I'm gonna do this year is, yeah, I have fitness goals. Everybody does, right? I don't really care about abs anymore. Had them, lost them. Might never see him again. That's all right. And what I'm going to do here is on the weekends and at night, I'm going to put my phone away. I'm going to put my little smartwatch away that dings and whistles every time I get a text or an email. And I'm going to focus on my family 100% without distractions. Hey, buddy. I'm going to sound like a fanboy here, but crisp was the best decision. But COVID hit, man. You know, I know a lot of you were very brave, cavalier pioneers and were ready to go out and get after it. We were going to turtle a couple weeks. We had a good year. We had money in the bank. And our coach really got us fired up. And she said that Michael Mogul had issued a challenge that 2020 could be a year of explosive growth and the best year ever. We went from 5 lawyers to 11. From about 5 paralegals and admins to 10. We've already surpassed our 2020 revenue. We've already surpassed that this year. Our law firm has exploded since I became a partner because of Crisp. In our influence, our outreach, our income, everything has exploded. And it's thanks to Crisp. I think the biggest thing that's affecting our firm is we've ventured into more consistent cash generating practice areas. We ventured a little bit into workers' comp and especially into labor law. We brought on a very, very experienced lawyer who represents the Boston Teachers Union, who is now our client. And her practice area is exploding. We just hired a new, very experienced, excellent lawyer to work with her. And so there's 4 lawyers on that side of the house billing full tilt. It's been really good. We didn't actually understand what a big move that was until this year, and it's going to impact our goals next year for sure.